This project came to us for our long-standing fabricator, Central Windows, who are based local to site. The TOTAL70 system is ideal for home builders because it easily ticks off the requirements of building regulations and is a cost-effective solution compared to aluminium and timber alternatives.
Alpine Homes wanted to use the tilt and turn system because of the slimmer profiles, more glass area, and because of the coastal erosion, corrosion on the products. The reason why I've used REHAU for so many years is that it's got a very contemporary look on the chamfered system that is probably the best looking window profiles on the market today.
On this project, we're looking for a supplier that could supply and fit a contemporary looking window whilst maintaining aesthetically pleasing views of the Solent. We opted for Invisifold doors as opposed to aluminium as they stand up to the unique conditions of a coastal environment. We've had very positive feedback, namely with the size of the openings, which allows nice views and a lot of light through the property.